Lagi 10-15 minit nanti I balik. I keluar sekejap je, dekat-dekat sini je. Okay, alright, okay, bye. Bini call. By the way, aku perasan masih ramai lagi antara kita yang abaikan kepentingan audio ni. Contohnya, kalau korang punya visuals, video korang in 4K tapi kalau korang punya audio koyak, bagi aku it's useless. Sebab korang punya audience, korang punya viewers takkan tengok video tu sampai habis. Because bagi aku, audio adalah antara elemen yang penting dalam pembikinan video. Dan aku tengok ramai orang lagi tekankan kecantikan video tu, memang betul. Tapi kalau korang buat product review ataupun voice over, imagine kalau korang punya suara dengar tak dengar macam jelas, jauh, bunyi sayup-sayup macam tu, so your audience takkan boleh feel benda tu. Now, as you can see, I'm walking far away from my camera and yet you can still hear me very well, betul tak? Now, this is what I mean by having high quality audio. Sebab no matter where you stand, kau pacak je kamera kat mana-mana pun, your audience can still hear you crystal clear. And I think this is very important. You have the flexibility. Nak buat product demo ke, product review ke, you know, you don't need to be right in front of the camera. You know, nak kena dekat dengan kamera supaya you want to make sure that, you know, your camera pick up the audio. No, not anymore. With this setup, look at me. I'm walking far away and yet you can still hear me. And aku beli audio ni dekat audio recorder ni dekat Shopee. It's called Zoom H1n. Harga dia dalam RM420. And I think it's probably the most affordable audio recorder in the market. Why I say that? Because with the size yang this small, handy, portable, boleh muat dalam pocket macam ni, and yet still produce amazing high quality audio, is worth it. And of course, there are so many brands out there yang audio recorder lagi mahal, harga 800, 1,500, 3,000, 4,000. And those audio recorders are for like macam high production value company yang buat TV drama ke apa. But for us, for YouTube content creator yang buat social media, yang buat product review, I think this is more than enough. And imagine if you have this audio quality and you have this flexibility, you can do so much more and your audience get your message well. Mungkin ada yang akan cakap, nak spend RM420 macam banyak je kan. So kalau korang tak nak spend, what you can do is, alternatively you can use your phone as an audio recorder. So kalau macam iPhone, dia ada voice memos dalam tu, korang boleh pakai. Dia punya audio quality pun sangat-sangat bagus. I'm pretty sure dalam Android pun ada, ataupun korang boleh download dekat App Store, Play Store, Sepah sebenarnya audio recorder apps ni. And I want to suggest one more thing, is for you to buy a Lavalier mic, iaitu clip-on mic yang macam aku buat tadi. When I walk away from my camera, you don't see me holding anything, betul tak? Tak ada mic, tak ada apa, and yet you can still hear my voice clearly. And that is because aku pakai lav mic tu, aku letak underneath my shirt. So basically, aku ada microphone jack tu letak dekat sini, connect to the audio recorder, and then this audio recorder aku letak dekat belakang. So if you want to have a clean look, nampak macam korang bersahaja, tak ada pegang apa-apa, then you can use that method as well. And yeah, I think it's a very good investment for you to have it, especially kalau korang memang dah ada YouTube channel, ataupun korang memang selalu buat product review ke, nak buat voice over ke, ataupun vlogging, you know, anything at all. And with that being said, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Aku harap video ni bermanfaat untuk korang semua, korang belajar something daripada video ni. And if you think this video is useful, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and hopefully bermanfaat untuk dorang semua. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe guys.